Hello guys, welcome to the RSM Tech World YouTube channel. How are you all? So here I am again with another new video for you. Today, the app I'm going to show you will let you earn income directly by playing games within the app. I've already received my reward from here, by the way. First, let me show you proof of my reward. For that, I will enter the app directly. After entering the app, to see the reward history, you have to click on the profile option from here. After clicking on the profile, you need to click on withdrawal history from here. Once you're in the withdrawal history, you can see here that I've actually earned 5 Paise by playing games here. And this withdrawal has been successfully completed for me. I just earned 5 Paise here by playing games for 2 minutes. Now, let me show you the story inside my PayPal account. Look here, I have received a payment of 5 Paise through PayPal. So those of you who are watching this video on my channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe and stay connected with my channel. So without further ado, let's start the video. So viewers, as you can already see, I always provide payment proofs for all the apps I review. I have always shown you this from the beginning. So today, the game app that I have brought for you is called Quirese. You can find app's link directly in the description box of this video. After downloading and installing the app, when you enter the app, first you have to create an account using Google. After that, you will be taken directly to the app's homepage. Then from here you can click on play to start playing the game. But here you have to complete the game level within a specific time of 1 minute. You can also earn from this app by referring others, and there are attractive bonus offers available here. Here you can also earn by completing daily tasks. Your reward: to withdraw through PayPal from here. You have to click on the USDT icon. Then you need to set up your PayPal account here. After setting up your account, you'll be able to withdraw money from here very easily. So that was today's video. Those of you who enjoy playing games can not only play here but also earn a little money on the side. If you like the video, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you like, comment on the video and subscribe to my channel, it really encourages me to make more videos. So I'll see you all again next time with a new video. Until then, stay healthy and take care. Bye bye.